Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Torx T5 screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a suction cup. These tools will help you safely open the device without causing damage. Start by powering off your Surface Pro 5 completely. Once it's turned off, use the suction cup to lift the screen gently from the base. Be careful not to apply too much pressure, as you want to avoid cracking the screen. Next, use the Torx T5 screwdriver to remove the screws located around the device's edge. There are typically about 10 screws to remove. Keep these screws in a safe place to avoid losing them during the repair. After removing the screws, carefully use the plastic prying tool to detach the screen from the body. Work your way around the edges, taking your time to avoid damaging the internal components. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. Once the screen is removed, you will see the battery connected to the motherboard. Inspect the battery for any signs of swelling or damage. If the battery appears damaged, it's time for a replacement. Disconnect the battery by gently lifting the connector off the motherboard. Make sure to do this carefully to avoid damaging the connector pins. If you're unsure, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help without any commitment. Now, remove the old battery by unscrewing any securing screws and gently lifting it out of the device. Take a moment to clean the interior of the device using a soft cloth or compressed air to remove any dust and debris. This will help ensure good airflow and prevent overheating. Next, place the new battery into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, making sure it's securely attached. If you don't have the tools or feel uncertain about this step, don't forget we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your device repaired without any hassle. Once the new battery is in place, it's time to reattach the screen. Align it carefully with the body and press down gently until it clicks into place. Then, replace all the screws you removed earlier using the Torx T5 screwdriver. Finally, power on your Surface Pro 5 and check if the new battery is functioning properly. You should see the charging indicator light up, confirming that the battery is connected and working. If you experience any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Remember, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know exactly what to expect in terms of cost before any work begins. This way, you can make an informed decision without any surprises. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.